Hello everyone, this is Matthew from eTech and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are eager to show you a design that is specially made for grinding tungsten carbide rods with our diamond roller on the centerless grinders, the ECG Series. The machine itself already possessed an outstanding grinding capacity. Now, with this special design, it solves many issues that is brought by conventional way of dressing. Before we continue, what's tungsten carbide? It is also known as cemented carbide, which refers to a sintered composite material consisting of at least one metal carbide. It is renowned for its exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and excellent heat and corrosion resistance, earning the nickname of industrial teeth. Due to its outstanding performance, tungsten carbide plays an irreplaceable role and is widely used in various industrial applications, especially in the manufacture of high-precision tools that work with round bars and other post-process machining. Next, let's talk about centerless grinders. Centerless grinding is a precision grinding technique that removes burrs, marks, and the final stock removal to reach specific dimensions without the need for any fixtures or clampings. Centerless grinding does not involve using centers or chucks to fix the workpiece. That's why it's called a centerless grinder. The three key components include grinding wheel, regulating wheel, and work rest blades. By skillfully interacting them, the workpiece outer diameter can be precisely ground and controlled. In this case, centerless grinding becomes the best solution for mass production cylindrical workpiece. However, due to the lack of center support, centerless grinders requires a high level of skill and experience from the operator, especially when you are working with high hardness materials, such as tungsten carbide. In order to grind this material, we must use a diamond wheel, as its hardness exceeds aluminum oxide wheel, which is usually the one that's grinding all kinds of metals and materials. Nevertheless, speaking of diamond wheel dressing is always a significant challenge. One of the conventional ways of dressing requires removing the grinding wheel and sending it to a specialized manufacturer to work on the operation, which costs about $250 to $300 US. Moreover, it requires to wait for 4 to 6 days. This not only forced to stop the machine, but also replacing the wheel itself will take an additional 2 hours. As for the other, it will take an experienced technician about 4 hours to manually dress the diamond wheel by using soft irons. In this way, the operator has to bear the risk of achieving insufficient wheel straightness and flatness. The operation not only requires a high level of skill, but also will lead to a long machine downtime. In addition to time and personal experience, wheel wear is a significant issue. Under normal operating conditions, diamond wheels usually require to dress it in every 2 weeks. A 12-inch diamond wheel usually will have a 10mm diamond layer, and the cost is around $4,000 to $5,000 US. The conventional method consumes about 0.5mm of the diamond layer per dressing. This means a wheel can only last for 10 to 12 months, resulting in a very high cost. To address these issues, we have developed a new dressing mechanism. This way will allow us to dress the diamond wheel directly on the machine and ensuring both flatness and straightness at the same time. The entire dressing process takes only 15 minutes, and each dressing consumes about 0.03mm on the diamond layer. With a diameter 6 and length 60mm rod, the accuracy of cylindricity can easily achieve within 2 microns after dressing. As for same diameter with a length of 100mm rod, we can easily achieve within 6 microns after dressing. This not only enhances the dressing efficiency by at least 1,000%, but also extends the wheel longevity at least 4 times. Additionally, it is user-friendly and does not require experienced technicians for operations anymore. To sum up, Through these technical innovations, we have not only improved production efficiency, but also provided our customers stability and a high-precision solution for tungsten carbide round bars grinding. This gives our centerless grinder exceptional competitiveness in the market. If you have any needs or questions about tungsten carbide rod grinding, feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you for listening. Bye.